Greetings. I'm Creepy Ghoul, and welcome to Creepy Ghoul Vision. Today, I have a very special unboxing video for you all. For those of you who love horror decor, this video's for you. Today, I'm also wearing a very special pair of pajama pants to introduce this unboxing video. Let me give you a better look. I'm wearing my ghosty pajama pants. Have a look at them. Now on with the video. So, there's a really cool place called Angry, Young, and Poor. I've ordered from these guys in the past. It's a punk rock place. They also do the horror stuff as well. You know, I got an update online a couple of weeks ago, and they introduced some horror decor, and I mean, you know, that's what I'm all about here. So I placed an order with these guys. They had some cool shit, and well, here it is right here. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. This has been really eating away at me for the last week. I've been wanting to like just rip this box open. Okay. Oh, geez. Thank goodness they put this over the top. Or else that would have sliced open that. Okay, so the first item I ordered was this for my couch. This cool Ouija board pillow. Love it. That's awesome. Okay, what do we got here? So the next item, oh yeah. So let me put this over here. This is a coffin mirror by Sourpuss. Look at that, eh? Sourpuss, haunted housewares. You gotta love that, seriously. I'm excited to hang that one up. It's an 8x11 coffin mirror. Why don't we open it? Check it out. Hopefully it's not broken. Let's see. Oh yeah. Feast your eyes on that. Nice. Okay. What else did I get here? Oh. I have to step back. It's a rug. A coffin skeleton rug. There's the back of it right there. got some grippy things. Okay. Okay, and I also got a half spider web rug as well. There's the back of it with all the little grippies, whatever you want to call it. Really cool rug. Okay, and there you go. They sent me a nice Angry Young and Poor sticker. And let's see, so there's something else here. I'm just going to put this down here and grab a seat. Let's see what's in here now. Oh yes, I forgot about this. Yeah, surprise, surprise, it's in a coffin shape, right? That is super cool. Got a nice coffin shelf. Wooden shelf. Really nice. And yeah, through Angry Young and Poor, and coincidentally, all the items, the home decor items, were made by this company called Sourpuss. Interesting. There we have it, folks. Some creepy home decor. Check them out. Angry Young and Poor. I'm not a spokesperson for them or anything like that, but I do like their shit. I've ordered from them in the past. The prices are great for what they've got. Shipping's great. Shipping rates are great. Delivery's great. And it's just a really cool place to shop for like punk rock stuff and horror stuff. And yeah, check them out. Angry Young and Poor, because Creepy Ghoul said so. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Give me a couple thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.